Thank you. Yeah, today's outline is how to read and write the data in R. So after that, we will see the control structure, and we will not go for the function because it is difficult for you guys to understand how to function in R. So basically, we are going to see today how to read and write the data in R. So first is to explore how to define a data set in R session. Only two commands are explored. The first is for simple assignment of data, and the second is for reading and writing in the data file. There are many ways to read data into R session, but we focus on just to keep it simple. The how import the data in R. So how we will import data in R using this four functions: read.table, read CSV, read delim. Read.tables means the data in the form of text, and we have to create that data in the notepad. And CSV means comma separated values. If is in the data, we have data with some data is 3, 4, 5 in one line, and in second line 5, 6, 7, like that. So you have to that file first, we have to save that file in CSV, and we can read that data CSV data in R. Read delimited means separated information, one record in one line. So mostly we create the data in Excel, so that we are not using mostly read delim file, but it is same as we can read that data in text file. So read and write data. The function scanf, this function is the most flexible. It can be used to read logical, integer, numeric, complex, character, and raw data and list. So scan function, this is the function we are using in scan. So it is file name first, and what means which data type is, which is logical, numerical, complex, or character. And n is the number of data values to be read. Default, if you are not giving any value, it will take without any limit that data will read. Separate, SEP means separated, the data, the field separated character. If separated in inverted commas, we are not giving anything, that is white space. If you are giving, if our data is in the two values, there is comma. So we define that separate, here it is comma, that is comma separated. So the separate is white space, and that is one of more spaces, tabs. Decimal, the character used in file and decimal point, so we give the DEC, means I want the answer in 2 decimal, 3 decimal, so we have to define here a decimal point. Skip, the number of lines input file to skip before beginning the read data values. NA.string, if we are giving character variables, so you have to mention over here NA.string is equal to not applicable. So if you are not giving that, so blank field are also considered to be missing value in logical, integer, numerical, and complex field. So how to use the scan function? X, I have stored that particular data in variable X, and I'm using the scan function. If you give scan and bracket, yesterday I told you, if you give the scan and open bracket and close bracket, you have to directly copy paste all the data, and you can store that data in the particular variable. Here I have given some values to that data set. So there is R1 10102. It is that value is x.csv. You can type any data with this comma, and use this scan function, and write this what is equal to character. We have defined some character also in the inverted comma, so that is why we are here. I am giving the what is equal to character. If you are not giving any character, you have to just simply give the blank space. So how to read data from screen if let the file name is inverted comma or just without any parameter. For example, X is scan. I'm not giving any file name here, and what is equal to integer. So one for first variable is 12, 17, 22, 34, 54, 23, 34, 45, and 56. If you enter X, so it gives the values in inverted commas, and that is integer value. So large data can be scanned in by just copy and paste. For example, paste from Excel. I told you yesterday, just copy scan function and bracket, and you have to copy the data from Excel and paste that data in the R console. The function read table, this function read a file in table format to create a data frame from it with case corresponding to lines and variable to filled in the file. So read dot table, file name, header is equal to false. If you want header means whatever the variables we are given in the first variable name given in the first column, that is weight, height, variable name, it can be age. If you want that variable name, then you can write here true and separated. If that value is separated by space or comma, so you can define that value in SEP is equal to, I am not given any value because I in after this session we can see how the data should be entered in the R. That time I can specify the comma and separated white space value, and decimal is equal to, we have defined here this, the value is 24.23. That's why I'm here, this decimal is equal to point in inverted comma, row names and column names. So this is first example. You can type this example, doses X in milligram and the number of Y of days relief from allergy. So first variable is doses and the relief, that also numeric variable. You can store this data in any format. You can type X is equal to C 33456789. So I have given this data, I have stored this data in the dose txt. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can open the notepad. See, if you click the mouse, right click the mouse, there is a option new. Okay, in that new option, you choose text document. किया and write any number after that. 3 1 space 4, sorry, that is 9. You can see on your this 3 5 screen, 1 space only. Okay, 4 12, 5 9.
Ma'am, we are able to see only the PPT.
This you cannot able to see. Okay, new share and now.
Yes, ma'am, now it is visible.
So how to create new text that you understand? Just go to any line, means you have to define some folder R in your computer. Okay, open that folder, right click karo. See, right click करने के बाद you have to, in any folder you can see this option, new.
Ma'am, when you share a screen with new share, it will only, the screen which is active will be visible. मतलब अभी हमें notepad दिख रहा है. For you to show the folder, you'll again have to click on new share and show the folder.
Yeah. See, now you can see the screen. Just go to the right click करना. Okay, there is text document option. Click करो. न्यू टेक्स्ट डॉक्यूमेंट आ गया, उसको रीनेम करना है डोज से. You have to give that data in short name. You have to assign the data name. Okay, so I already assigned dose. दिख रहा है? If I open, so there is dose and relief. So I am typing this 3 9 जो R इस PPT में जो भी data है, that you can type. Not all the data, but you can type at least up to 4 or 5.
Ma'am, again you'll have to share the screen of notepad.
Yeah. मैं multiple sharing किया है, but I don't know why it is not working. अब दिख रहा है 3 9 3 5.
Yes, ma'am, PPT दिख रहा है.
Okay. So you can type up to 5 6 14 तक. You can see doses के नीचे और relief के नीचे 3 9 3 5 12 5 9 6 14 दिया है. Okay, आप अपने कंप्यूटर में भी कर लो. Then only we can how to read the data. R console में जाना है. Go to the file option. डेटा को नाम दे दिया. You can go to the file option and change directory में जाना है.
मैम, पहले ये जो हमने डाला है नोटपैड में, पहले उसको सेव करना पड़ेगा ना?
Yes, एक फोल्डर बना दो R का. In that folder you have to give that particular data, that is dose. Okay, now we are reading that data into R. So go to the R console, change directory. Are you able to see the code? Change directory, उसमें desktop, whatever, wherever you are saving that data, in that option, मेरा इसमें है R. So okay करना है. दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पर? इन R console, how to read the data file? सबने डेटा सेव किया R फोल्डर में? Go to R console, then choose a file option, then go to the change directory, and wherever you have saved that data, just click on that folder and OK, and give the read.table command. Don't copy full command, because before that I have saved my data in C. That's why I'm giving that particular address. You don't have to give C dot. ये C dot नहीं देना है, only dose.txt देना. चेंज डायरेक्टरी कर दिया, आ गया डेटा?
यस मैम.
ऐसा दिख रहा है? ये दिख रहा है?
यस मैम.
ओके, सबको आ गया? डन? I hope everybody is trying to do this exercise. Okay. If you enter the table without column heading, then just copy read.table C. C means your directory name. My directory name is C, and dose.txt. But I want the header name also. So you have to give header is equal to true.
मैम हेडर नेम का क्या यूज है? मतलब इट इज नॉट शोइंग इन आर कंसोल ना.
See, doses and relief. Okay, we have not given over here कुछ भी header is equal to true दिया है. If you again type this command, but उसमें देना है header is not true, header is equal to true, ये command निकाल दो. So it is giving v1 v2. Okay, so we don't want that variable name, we want doses and reliefs. That is why we are specifically given header is equal to true. If we put 3,9 3,5 ऐसे अगर हम डेटा इनपुट अपने टेक्स्ट में देते हैं, तो you have to define over here the separate is equal to ब्रैकेट में कॉमा. ठीक है, अभी ये रीड नहीं करेगा बिकॉज देयर इज नो कॉमा इन द डेटा सेट. ओके, if it is the comma in the data set, it read that particular comma and it will give two separated column. So okay, so next is the function read.csv. That is what just now I told you. CSV means comma separated value. So files are decimal point, means you have to give the decimal. Read.csv file का जो भी name we have store in our directory. Then header is equal to true. पूरा true नहीं लिखा, that is also okay. You can type only capital T, and separated is comma separated. Okay, and decimal is true. So reading, writing data, the sample data can also in comma separated value, that is CSV file. Each cell inside such data file is separated by special character, which usually is a comma, although other character can be used as well. यहाँ पे the one example we have given. You can type this example in your text. Okay, do it and give this command data. You have to save that file in data1.csv. You can give any name, but this CSV is important because we have given a data separated value, comma separated value. Okay, just type in new text form. Here I have already generated this data. You can see the screen. Column 1, comma column 2, comma column 3, and 100 A1. So this is data mein that comma is there. And you have to save this file save as करके data.1 CSV करना है. Have you saved the data in CSV format? Everybody is doing this example. Are you able to do this example?
मैम वो बन गया, बट अगर उसको रीड करना है यार कंसोल में तो
So that is why you have to give the CSV file, read.csv bracket, comma में file name.csv, header is equal to true and separated is equal to comma. ये कमांड यूज करो. If that file is CSV, then only you can give the read.csv, file name, header is equal to true, separated, decimal nahi diya, that is also okay. Done. This data you have to save in data1.csv in your directory, and when you want to call this data in R, when you want to read this data in R, just type this command. Okay, file name आ जाएगा यहाँ पे data1.csv in inverted commas. ये दिख रहा है. स्क्रीन दिख रहा है, डेटा वन read dot csv data one dot csv header is equal to true. If I type this data one, so it gives column one, column two, column three. आ रहा है सबको? Are you able to do this example or not? Why? Just
मैम
save.
एरर दिखा रहा है.
क्या error? If you data save in data.csv file, data
मैम
one.
जब read.csv डाला और उसका लोकेशन डाला तो ऐसा आया, कॉलम वन कॉलम टू वाला जैसा आपका है, बट उसके नीचे वार्निंग मैसेज आया है, इन रीड डॉट टेबल फाइल इक्वल टू फाइल, हेडर इक्वल टू हेडर, सेप इक्वल टू सेप, कोट इक्वल टू कोट, इनकम्प्लीट फाइनल लाइन फाउंड बाय रीड टेबल हेडर ऑन data dot
But
data
that,
one dot csv.
yeah, you can share, see the screen. Just give this command. Simply give header is equal to true and separate is equal to column. But you have to save that data in your directory, then only you can read that data.
मैम
Okay?
तो हम read dot table क्यों यूज कर रहे हैं, read dot csv यूज करना पड़ेगा ना?
दोनों कर सकते. If the data CSV में है, so I am giving this, okay, comma. अगर मुझे read CSV करना है तो I know need, I am not giving here separate value is true, फिर भी वो read करता है. Okay? So you can use for CSV file data.table भी कर सकते हैं and CSV भी कर सकते हैं. And you can give, but there is, if you are giving the table read.table, though that data is in the txt format, and if you are giving this data in CSV, so that data stored in CSV file.
मैम ये नहीं दे रहा है, एरर दिखा रहा है फिर से.
टेक्स्ट निकाल दो, CSV करो. ये स्क्रीन दिख रहा है?
यस मैम.
डेटा वन ए वाला फाइल दिख रहा है, वो दैट इज CSV फाइल, एंड डेटा वन टेक्स्ट फाइल. दोनों में सेव किया, कॉलम वन, कॉलम टू, कॉलम थ्री.
हाँ
दिख रहा है, वैल्यूज दिख रहे हैं. डेटा वन नोटपैड में लिखा है कॉलम वन, कॉलम टू, दिस डेटा. ओके, दैट यू कैन से इवन इन द CSV फॉर्मेट. सेव एज करो, सेव एज data one dot csv. okay, and give this command. Give this command first if you save the data in CSV format. टेक्स्ट में भी करो एंड CSV में भी सेव करना है.
मैम ये read dot csv के पहले स्पेस डालना जरूरी है क्या?
नहीं,
मैम एरर दिखा रहा है, एरर अनएक्सपेक्टेड.
कुछ तो गलत, मतलब
हाँ
डायरेक्टरी में
हाँ,
डेटा
डबल
फाइल.
ब्रैकेट आ गया, डबल ब्रैकेट.
हाँ, अब आया?
मैम CSV में आ रहा है लेकिन वो टेक्स्ट करके कर रहे हैं तब नहीं आ रहा है।
टेक्स्ट में करते समय ये वाला कमांड देना है, रीड डॉट टेबल डेटा 1 डॉट txt दिया. You have to save the data two ways. First CSV and then only text. Text means you can see this. See, I have saved the data in data1, that is txt document. Okay, and this is CSV file. So whenever you are saving the data 1 dot CSV, जब हम सेव करते हैं, that you have to give the option .csv, then that data will save in the CSV format. If you are not giving anything, just in the notepad, whatever, copy the data and simply save. So that data is stored in the text format. So that time we have to give the command data dot table file name dot txt. Okay, header is equal to true if you want to read the header, and separated value by comma होगा, whatever होगा, any special character or space.
मैम वो नहीं हो रहा है, पहला वाला जो कमांड है वो एरर ही दिखा रहा है.
आपका कहीं तो भी गलत हो रहा है. किसका किसका आया है? ओके, क्या कमांड चैट बॉक्स में लिख के भेजो, क्या कमांड दिया है. And make sure you are in whatever you are save you can save in that R directory, that is from what we are reading the data. Command is okay, but you are not saving the data in CSV format. That's why it is not giving that option.
मैम दोनों में सेव किया, टेक्स्ट में भी CSV में भी, और डायरेक्टरी भी.
नहीं किया है चेंज डायरेक्टरी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्टरी में ही हमें वो डेटा सेव करना है, देन ओनली वी कैन रीड दैट डेटा.
मैम डायरेक्टरी भी सही है.
So why it is not working? It should work. And text देकर देखा, read dot table,
नहीं वैसे ट्राई नहीं किया, वैसे ट्राई किया.
वैसे just try that command. This is the main step when we are doing the analysis. First, to read the data from Excel. Most of the data we are saving in the Excel file only, and that you can copy paste in the text. Read dot table say we can extract that data in the R console, then only we can do the operations. Means how to compare the pre and post values of medicine and all. Then we can apply the test. So this is very important state, how to read the data. If you are that whatever you have given, I have given the assignment that you can use the scan function. Okay, store that data in particular variable, whatever number of families X, and the scan function, and try to do that exercise in R and make that frequency table, is number of frequencies, and just give the command table. आ गया सबका? You can try later. Yeah. So this is how to read the CSV file. So data 1.csv, it gives this kind of a output. Next is how to read delim functions. Read delim means that there is a separated line which is tab or comma, and that is in the single line. So we generally not using this function because sometimes data in matrix with row representing the cases and columns that intended to read the tab separated files. So you have to give this read.delim file header is equal to true. The same, that function is always same, just the file is whatever the file का जो नाम होता है that under CSV, TXT and delim. So separated. Otherwise, all the separated function, field function, that same working for all the command. Generally, we are not using this. So this is the function, and I have saved this example annual. You can see. So I have saved this example month, average, high, season and schooling. So I have given this data and I am reading this data in the R. Just giving this r.delim annual.txt header is equal to true. Separated is there is no comma and this. So I have given only white space. So just type this command. You can see the data. Are you able to see the screen? R console. Yeah. You can use here read.table as well. So it will give the same output. Okay. So no need to use read delim and all. We are making simple. We can use the read.table for all the just you have to save that data in the text format. Means notepad mein jaakar that data you have to copy and paste the data from Excel. If there is a comma separated, then you can use CSV format. Or you can use table format, and here you have to give the separate किस function से हुआ है, that comma or space. Okay, that special character that you have to define over here. So next is reading and writing data. Read.table file.txt header is equal to true. Just now we have seen. It offers more control in the file type since it can look at .txt CSV file. So separated by /t tells R that file is tab delimited. This means that row is one row में, that one line में सारा data comma space, that data type is like that. So we are using this function separated t. If space होगा तो this function you can use for space delimited, and comma होगा तो you have to specify their comma and use for CSV file also. So write data frames. Often it is useful to write a matrix or data frame to as a grid of element. Put a matrix or vector specified number in column. हमने देखा how to read the data, okay, in R. Now how to write a data from R into any other, means whatever the directory we are saving, that you can save in write.table. So write.table writes out a data frame or object that can be coarse to a data frame with row and column labels. So just give the function write that particular file name, whatever we have performed the operation, abhi jo humne kiya hai, that you can save using this file name. and you have to save on which file name we are saving in that particular R directory. Specify n columns is equal to append comma, sorry, and append is equal to false, separated is equal to space. So X is a data to be written out. Okay, file the right file is equal to the file to write to that particular data, and n columns, the column of to write the data in. Append, if true, the data X are appended in the file. Means मुझे एक के नीचे एक data अगर save करना है, so that is append is equal to false. Automatically वो it will save. And separated is equal to, that you have to give this command, that is separated, delimited, whatever the comma or slash ऐसे अगर data में होगा तो that we can use separated is equal to tab delimited. So here is a one example. You can try this example in R. Create 2x5 matrix. So all of you are typing this example in your R console. Yes. So create 2x5 matrix, give the matrix form 1 to 10. It will take 1 to 10 numbers, and L column is equal to 5. By default, it will take 2 rows. That number is separated by two rows, and if column is equal to 5. So data contain 2 rows, 5 column. So write this, give this command write X just to give the file name any year, because you want to save the data in your directory. You can give any file name over here. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can give any file name over here, and separated is equal to true.
मैम जो फाइल नेम डालेंगे उसमें उसका एक्सटेंशन डालना पड़ेगा क्या?
नहीं. हाँ, you can give txt file or whatever, you can try. कैसे सेव होता है you can see, or it is giving any error or what?
मैम ये राइट वाला कमांड डाला, उसके बाद एंटर किया तो वो और एक कमांड मांग रहा है.
Write का command, what you have given over there, write X and
यहाँ पर नाम दिया ट्राई.
okay, and then
आगे वही सेपरेट इक्वल टू
Control V. 1 second. You can check in your directory कहाँ जहाँ पे भी ये फाइल नेम सेव हो रहा है वो हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है. You can give the name.
हुआ मैम, सेव हुआ.
हो गया. t.txt डाला है कि क्या?
विदाउट
CSV
डॉट
डाला
टीएक्सटी,
है.
सिर्फ ट्राई नाम डाला था तो वो ट्राई नाम का वहाँ फाइल आ गया.
हाँ, txt फाइल जनरेट किया है. Just give the name and enter.
मैम बट मेरे इसमें ये ऐसा, जैसे आपके इसमें आपने ये राइट वाला जब कमांड डाले उसके बाद एंटर दबाए तो उसके बाद आपको यहाँ पर भी डिस्प्ले कर रहा है, वो कैसे दिखाने वाला है? मेरे इसमें इट इज नॉट शोइंग दिस वे.
सी मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना?
यस.
हाँ, सो ये क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? टाइप दैट कमांड.
मैम आई टाइप्ड दिस कमांड बट ये 1 से 10 यहाँ नहीं डिस्प्ले कर रहा है आर कंसोल में.
ओके. If you are given some number, no, take out that file name जो भी ब्रैकेट में है, then only it will display on here in the R console. अब आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
So whenever you want to write the particular file in your R directory, you have to simply give the write command and .txt, then only it will save. If you want, then .csv also. This is the same function, write or table x file name append. If you want to append that in particular data in after that particular row or column, so you have to specify the row name is true, column name is true. NA means the string is used for missing value for the data, that is NA. Row name or column name, if you want to write the row name and column name, that you can also type the row name is true and the column name. This is the matrix form that 357194, n row is equal to 3 and v. If you don't give any header by row is equal to true diya hai and column is equal, it will show this kind of a output in your R console. So everybody understand how to read and write the file in R. Whatever I have shared R PPT in Google Classroom, that you can here I have given write dot table. So it is given in a table form. Are you able to do this exercise?
Yes, ma'am. This is working.
Okay. Because I have given over here write or table. Before that, we have given only write. Write dot table is there. But this is matrix form है.
मैम तो अगर हम राइट डॉट टेबल में एक्स कॉमा के बाद जो इन्वर्टेड कॉमा है उसमें अगर हम कोई फाइल का नाम डाले तो वो हमारे डायरेक्टरी में सेव होगा क्या?
हाँ. Give some name dot txt. So it stored in txt format. Because here data dot table किया है. Whenever we are reading, so we give the command read dot table, and the data that particular directory data is in the form of txt file. Done?
मैम वो जो हमने इससे पहले राइट डॉट टेबल किया था उसमें हमने इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में सॉरी सेपरेशन में हमने स्लैश टी किया था, उसका क्या मतलब था?
If that data is contain any delimited function, comma or slash or what you can say, the space between two numbers, so we have to give that. Okay, then only it will consider. The function write.csv also the same thing, but that file should be in, right now we have said that in the text file. So we give the command write.table x file dot whatever the x.txt file. So it is saved in txt format. Here right now we are giving write.csv comma separated variable. So that file should be in Excel format. Okay. So this is example. Input data shown in the following table. Pre and post. whatever the that doses is pre-doses, whatever the numbers, and post. So it is showing the data. Now I want to read this table. I want to read this table. The data set come with R, or one the package R as resident data set, built-in data set. If you want to, there is a data set in our R directory. If you type data and two curly brackets, simple, you can try data. Just type this command, data and bracket. So whatever the data stored in R, that you can see. Data bracket complete. See, you can see this screen. क्या दिख रहा है? State area. You can see this screen. Swiss treating trees. This is already, this data is in R. Okay. So you can take one data bracket reverse. So it works. So now I want to check the dimension of reverse. It is showing null because it is not in that data format. So it is not given the dimension. Now check length of reverse. How many observation in reverse I want to know. So just give the length of reverse. So 141 observation is there. If you want to check the history particular data, say you can just give help in bracket reverse. So here it is showing that history about that particular data. This data is give the length in miles of 141 major rivers in the North America as compiled by US Geological Survey. Reverse format vector content 141 observation. So the data, whatever the description about data, that you can see in your Google Chrome में देख सकते हैं. If you type help river. So we will see tomorrow how to have you just give this library mass, and you can see there is a cat data. You can type this, all these functions, and you can try this. So this is how to read and write the data in R. In the next class, we will see how to generate a frequency distribution and frequency polygon in R. Okay. Okay. Thank you.